Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Steve's Corner Office. Today we have a topic that's near and dear to my heart: how to be a better business leader, tips and tricks from the experts. Whether you're a seasoned executive or just starting your leadership journey, you won't want to miss these invaluable insights. Let's jump right in. Effective communication. One of the most crucial skills for any leader is effective communication. To excel in this area, experts recommend active listening. Active listening goes beyond merely hearing words. It involves giving your full attention to the speaker, asking clarifying questions, and showing empathy. When you listen actively, you build trust and understanding within your team. Clear and concise messaging. Leaders must convey their vision, goals, and expectations with absolute clarity. Ambiguity can lead to confusion and inefficiency. Aim to simplify your message without oversimplifying the complexities of your vision. Lead by example. Great leaders lead by example. Here are some tips. Demonstrate integrity. Integrity is the cornerstone of leadership. Your team looks up to you as a role model. By consistently acting with honesty and ethics, you set a high standard for your team to follow. Trust is built on this foundation. Embrace continuous learning. Learning is a lifelong journey, and leaders should be avid learners. Demonstrating a commitment to personal and professional growth not only keeps you relevant, but also motivates your team to invest in their development. Empower your team. Empowering your team is essential for success. The experts advise to delegate effectively. Trust is a two-way street. Delegate tasks and responsibilities, allowing your team members to take ownership. Effective delegation boosts their confidence and decision-making abilities. Offer constructive feedback. Constructive feedback is a powerful tool for improvement. Provide feedback that is specific, actionable, and delivered with respect. It helps team members understand where they can improve and how to do so. Adaptability. In today's fast-paced business world, adaptability is key. Experts suggest embrace change. Change is inevitable, and leaders must adapt to evolving circumstances. Encourage a culture that welcomes new ideas and technologies, and be flexible in your approach to challenges. Stay resilient. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks. Leaders must remain resilient in the face of adversity. Maintain a positive attitude, learn from failures, and lead your team through difficult times. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is often overlooked but critical for leaders. Here's what the experts recommend. Empathize with your team. Understand the emotions and perspectives of your team members. Empathy fosters stronger connections, trust, and a more supportive work environment. Manage your emotions. Leaders must keep their emotions in check, especially in high-pressure situations. Practice self-regulation to stay calm, make rational decisions, and avoid impulsive reactions. Time management. Time management can make or break a leader's effectiveness. Experts advise, prioritize tasks. Focus on the most important and impactful activities. Use tools and strategies like the Eisenhower Matrix to distinguish between urgent and important tasks. Delegate when possible. As a leader, your time is precious. Delegate tasks that others can handle effectively, freeing up your time for strategic thinking and leadership responsibilities. Build relationships. Building strong relationships is vital in business. Here are some expert tips. Networking. Actively engage in networking to connect with peers, mentors, and industry professionals. Networking provides valuable insights, advice, and opportunities for collaboration. Foster a positive work culture. Create an inclusive and supportive work environment where everyone feels valued and motivated. Positive workplace culture boosts morale and productivity. Visionary leadership. Visionary leadership can drive a company to new heights. The experts suggest define a clear vision. Communicate your long-term goals and vision to your team. Inspire them to rally around a shared purpose and work passionately toward achieving it. Encourage innovation. Foster a culture where new ideas are encouraged and celebrated. Innovation can lead to breakthroughs and keep your organization ahead of the competition. Accountability. Leaders must be accountable. Experts recommend take responsibility. Own up to your actions and decisions, setting the example for your team. Accountability builds trust and credibility. Hold others accountable. Establish clear expectations and consequences. Hold team members accountable in a fair and consistent manner, ensuring that everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. Balance work and life. Maintaining a work-life balance is crucial for sustainable leadership. The experts advise, prioritize self-care. Allocate time for relaxation, exercise, and personal well-being. Leaders who take care of themselves are better equipped to handle the demands of their roles. Set boundaries. Define boundaries to prevent work from encroaching on your personal life. Disconnect from work when needed to recharge and maintain a healthy work-life balance. There you have it, folks. 20 essential tips and tricks from the experts on how to be a better business leader. Remember, leadership is a continuous journey of growth and development, and incorporating these strategies can help you become the best leader you can be. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow leaders and aspiring leaders. Thank you for joining me today on Steve's Corner Office. Until next time, keep leading, keep learning, and keep striving for excellence.